What is up, guys? Really early in the morning,
It's really early.
but we had to get Vince in another video. For today's video, we are going to be wrapping the trunk of the Avalon. I guess the first steps behind it is we need to clean it. I got it at the car wash yesterday, so it shouldn't be too bad, but we're gonna take apart this little part right here, take off the license plate, and then we can, I guess, start wrapping. Dang. I forget sometimes how good she looks. First step in this is taking off the license plate, so I got a screwdriver.
We unplug the lights too before you pull it out.
The lights? That's a good idea. I got amber ones a while ago. So good of a choice. So it was just these little 3 pop-out clips and 2 little bolts. And then this, theoretically now, should just come off. That is so nasty. That is really disgusting. Okay, next step is to clean, I guess. He's gonna clean it. Oh, there you go. It has to come out. Just spray it. What is that?
What?
Oh my gosh. Just go like full ham. There you go. Whoa, what? That's a lot, dude. Oh, that actually looks way better.
It's a lot better.
If only like they gave you the car clean when you bought it. Brand new. You know. There you go. Oh, that's just a nice crevice. Whoa, spraying inside my trunk? Why don't you?
I am. I'll clean that too.
Hey, it's pretty clean in there. Kind of. I mean, there's worse trunks, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
You having fun?
I am. It's actually really nice to do at 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah, because someone was late by 30 minutes.
Okay. I set my alarm, then I woke up at 5:30.
See, maybe I should be worried about you.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
I woke up and it was 5:59. I was like, oh, I made it by 1 minute. And then I was like sick. And then I checked my map thing or whatever. You know that.
map.
Yeah. And I was like, oh, he's still home. I've got like 20 to 30 minutes. We have just finished cleaning that. So now we have the wrap tube. Make my little microphone stand.
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, you know what this makes us after we do this, right? We're gonna be master builders.
Oh
We're master builders.
I can see everything. What the heck is this? I am a master builder.
Okay, let's just real quick. Just you can measure it.
Here?
Yeah, from there all the way down and around the corner. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so we just cut it out to size, approximately 35 inches ish. So we're gonna just peel off this back layer and we'll just lay it down and I'll show you guys in a second. So we just finished putting on all the wrap. It's not bad. So we also got these nice corners. A trick that I've learned is that if you just use your heat gun and apply it on there and then you just smush it and it basically like melds to itself and then it keeps it from coming up and then you just go around the entire border and just push, push, push. And that usually keeps it from going up and stuff. We just had Vince put in the little keyhole thing right there. So the next thing we're gonna do is put back in this license plate frame and then we should be able to go from there. I am leaving the license plate frame white because that'll be able to, I don't know, kind of go with the rest of the theme because the rest of the car's white, right? So I'm thinking just kind of keeping the accents white instead of having it be black. I'm gonna put that back in with Vince's help and then we should be able to go from there. Okay, let's just pop it in. Hopefully it just goes in. So the next thing we have is we have those 2 little nuts right there. Wow, who screwed that in? You smell that oil?
Yeah, I smell
I
it.
wonder what that is. It smells like a really old car, you know?
Yeah, I
like-
smelled that.
Work, slave, work. Pick up those pieces. That actually looks really cool from this angle though. Like it just is like the window keeps going down.
Yeah.
It's like a racing stripe, but the entire trunk. So the trunk's done, we have that all in. Vince has to leave for school because he came here in the morning before school. He's gonna go do that, and that's, I guess, today's video. I hope you guys learned enough about how to wrap and stuff. Pretty simple. You just have to learn to stretch it the right way, and if you stretch it too much, you have to learn to recover from your mistakes. But the good thing about vinyl wrapping is that it's always forgiving. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked today's video and you want to see more of this. If not, I guess don't subscribe. But I guess it's better if you do subscribe, because then you get to see it, you know?
It's true.
It is true. See, even he says it.
You don't have to look it up every time.
You don't have to look it up. See, you don't have to see our faces, especially his. I mean, he's still single, guys. Hook him up. So, anyways, without further ado, guys, with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.